Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab, and hello everyone. This is Richa Mehta. Welcome to the show The Human Connect. I am the host of the show, Richa Mehta. I'm a model, actor, and entrepreneur. And very recently, during this tough times, I've just जैसे होता है रूट लेवल से निकलता है सीड और सीड बनते बनते प्लांट बनता है. That's what I have done during this pandemic. While there were a lot of reasons to be depressed, I thought of introducing new side of me, and I'm hosting shows. This would be 104th show of me hosting. From last 1 year, I have hosted 100 plus shows. The Human Connect is presented by Kailash Silver Leaves by Mr. Sanjay Mittal. When I talk about the Human Connect is basically connecting people to life saviors. Things are going extremely wrong. When we know that, when you switch on the television, it's all about pandemic, it's all about the news which is spreading around the globe. When we switch on the television, when we switch on our phones, our laptops, our newspapers, if we read, it's time that we talk about something positive. Human Connect is not only helping through connecting beautiful souls to our viewers, but is also helping otherwise. We have been helping the society. We have been coping up with a lot of other stuffs by making sure that we are reaching out to the poor also. So I would like to take this platform while we are going live from 8 different platforms on Facebook and YouTube, including Radio City. I would like to suggest and I would like to really ask you to support us in whatever ways possible in terms of making this human connect reach to millions. So now I would request the production team so to please play the video which talks about our sponsors, our mainframe company, Kailash Silver Leaves. अच्छा, ये जरूर होगा जहाँ पे आप सबने मिठाइयाँ खाई होंगी, राइट? मैंने तो बहुत खाई हैं एंड मुझे तो काजू की बर्फी बहुत पसंद है. एंड whenever we go to a sweet shop, we always see that the sweets which has the silver chum silver work and gold work stands apart the others. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा भी टाइम आएगा कि हम द वर्क किंग से मिलेंगे एंड somebody who has been led as an example, somebody who has been on the forefront, उनसे बात करेंगे. But knowing that you've just seen a small digital ad of Kailash Silver Leaves, who has been going round the globe in terms of spreading the beautifulness through the silver and gold flakes. Silver and gold flakes are not only shown on sweets, but are also the fashion statement. How? We will let you know soon through a video which will be played in some time. Before that, किसी भी नई चीज की शुरुआत, किसी भी शुभ दिन की शुरुआत एक बहुत ही डिवाइन तरीके से होनी चाहिए. मैं जो आज हमारे साथ गेस्ट हैं उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करने से पहले मैं चाहूंगी हमारी प्रोडक्शन टीम एक बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही डिवाइन भजन से शुरू करे जो कि उन्हीं ने गाया है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट द प्रोडक्शन टीम टू प्लीज प्ले द भजन which has been sung by a beautiful singer, somebody who is totally a diva. So I would request the production team to please play it.
Shiva शम्भो महादेव शम्भो महादेव शम्भो हर हर महादेव शम्भो महादेव शम्भो जय जय शिव शम्भो जय जय शिव शम्भो जय जय शिव शम्भो जय जय शिव शम्भो ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय
क्या डिवाइन फीलिंग आती है जब कुछ भी ऐसा चीज सुना जाए जो कि भगवान से रिलेटेड हो। एंड नोइंग दिस साइड ऑफ माय गेस्ट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई थॉट कि शायद वो तो पॉप सेंसेशन है, बॉलीवुड दीवा है या बॉलीवुड सिंगर है। पता नहीं था कि उनका डिवोशनल साइड भी है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस माय गेस्ट. It's indeed a great honor. She is a dear friend. She is somebody who is known for AIR FM role. I think आप सब पहचान गए हैं मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ. Somebody जिसको हम पता नहीं कितने सारे रूप में जानते हैं, वो हमारे साथ आई हैं. Somebody who has followers in millions. I would request the production team to please welcome. Put your hands together for Shibani Kashyap. Welcome, Shibani.
Hi, Richa. Hi, Richa. How are you?
To the Human Connect.
Thank you so much for having me on the Human Connect, and it's indeed a pleasure to be on this wonderful show full of joy, a ray of hope, and when, as you very correctly said, when there's so much of gloomy news happening all around us, we have a show like this which talks about positivity, which talks about connecting the life savior, connecting souls, good souls, and of course talking about ray of hope and happiness. So great to be here. Thank you so much. And a big, big thank you to Kailash Silverlees and Sanjay Mittalji for having this wonderful vision. And of course to Radio City for powering this so beautifully, promoting this show so well. And to you, Richa Mehta, and your whole team for doing such a great job of this production. And of course, for you to host this show.
Thank you so much. Coming from you means a lot. Knowing you personally, Shibani, मुझे तो आपके बारे में सब पता है because you are also a dear friend. But I would like our viewers to know, how did Shibani Kashyap become pop sensation Shibani Kashyap? How was the journey from a little girl to somebody who is a diva and who has been well known in the industry?
It's a long story, but to cut the long story short, as they say, I started my career by singing jingles. And the very first jingle, which became really, really big and famous, was the All India Radio FM signature tune, which I sang. And it was basically to launch Indian FM radio. So India used to have, shortwave and medium wave and mono radio. But when FM happened in India, it happened with AIR FM, and there was no other radio channel that time. And I was still in college, I remember. And so this was my very first jingle, and I didn't know that this jingle would play every hour for 24 hours, so 24 times in a day. On radio, my voice was playing, and the song was playing, and it was very thrilling for me, of course. So just सबकी यादें ताज़ा करने के लिए I'll sing a few lines of this because
Coming to
आप
that,
सबको याद आ जाएगा.
यादें ताज़ा हो और हम उसी टाइम पे जाए जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही रेडियो चलता था.
बिल्कुल. You've got the music going night and day. FM is ready for you in the morning or late at night. Whoa, you gotta let the music play. AIR FM stereo AIR FM stereo all the time. On India Radio.
Wow. This was how long back, Shivani?
So this is back in 1996. I think maybe you must have been a very little girl, and I was in college that time. And yes, so it was the beginning of my career, and so it was like really nice for me because I remember I got 500 rupees for this jingle to sing this jingle, and I opened my bank account for the very first time.
क्या बात है। आई थिंक ये भगवान की ही देन होती है जो लोग सिंगर्स होते हैं, क्योंकि ये चीज हम सीख नहीं सकते। अपने अंदर एक कला होती है जो सिंगर्स उसको बहुत ही खूबसूरती से दर्शाते हैं। यू आर ब्लेस्ड विद दैट, शिवानी।
Thank you so much.
So Shivani, I would like to read this from my iPad. Your recent song, Punjabi song, I'm talking about, Jogia, because I have it here. It has crossed over 2 million views in a month. I would like to tell our viewers it's just been a month. Please tell us about your experience shooting for the same and making this song with the famous TV stars Dheeraj Dhupar and Smriti Kalra. 2 million, Shivani. Wow.
So thanks, Richa. And firstly, of course, it has been a wonderful experience working on the song. It was like a dream come true because I wanted this song to be shot in Punjab because it's a Punjabi song. And honestly, मैंने 2 साल से ये गाना बना के रखा हुआ था. I had composed and produced this song, and I was like, I need a nice video for it and a nice label to actually release the song because it's not just about making a song. That it's about promoting the song. It's about making nice video, marketing the song. So you need the entire solution for it, right? So, then I came across Raj Suri, who was a wonderful friend and a very good producer. So he said, I love this song. Let me get this song together. Let me get the production together. So he got Mehul Gadani on board as the video director. Mehul thought of getting some TV actors, and then we finally decided on Dheeraj Dhupar. We played the song to Dheeraj Dhupar, and Dheeraj Dhupar is a very busy TV star. Even today, in the lockdown and pandemic, he is busy shooting for his show Kundalini Bhagya, which he's the main negative on. So he loved the song instantly, and we told him that आपको इसमें सरदारजी बनना है, be wearing a pagdi and all. So he jumped at the whole idea. He said, yeah, and I love the song and it's great. Then we quickly decided to go in January because तब तक lockdown थोड़ा खुला हुआ था. So we went to Punjab and we were a crew of almost 100 people, and we shot the video there in the Sarson ke Khet and all of that, and it was so beautiful. We got Smriti Kalra to star opposite him, and I'm there in the song as myself, as a cameo appearance. And so the video turned out really well. Then we got a wonderful label. Label is called Amplify, which is run by Ankur Gupta and Varun Gupta, and they have done a wonderful job. So one thing which Richa I want to mention here at the outset is that आए दिन आपको पता है कि गाने रिलीज होते हैं, ठीक है, इसके उसके, and then they say cross 10 million in 2 days or cross 10 million in 3 days. How is it possible? How is it possible? Because organically it is absolutely not possible. So I wanted to see the true fate of the song. हमने इसको बहुत organically promote किया. We have a lot of people making reels of the song. A lot of influencers have made reels. In fact, Richa, I would love you to make a reel on Jogia.
Definitely. Done.
Yeah, you look gorgeous, yeah. And we, in fact, just yesterday, Priyanka Chopra's sister, who's a very dear friend of mine, Manara Chopra, who was the heroine in Zid. So she made a reel and it created a sensation. Only on her reel itself, she got 1 lakh views. So it's really lovely that लोग अपने आप organically इसके reels बना रहे हैं. Reels bante, it's becoming famous. I, of course, did a lot of promotions on all the radio channels, including Radio City. In fact, Salil from Radio City did a wonderful interview with me recently about Jogia. So that's how I felt that agar gana acha hai, content is good, video is good, people will watch it. People will watch it. So it's just growing organically. Or ye nahi ki it jumps like to 1 lakh views in a day. आस्ते आस्ते इसके views one month में they have crossed 2 million. So I'm very happy, and this is what I believe in, because I believe in organic promotions, and I don't really believe in bots and all of that. So I'm really proud and really happy about the song, and because of this song, I just got approached by a very big production house. They said that, you know, we love the way you sung in Punjab. So they've just approached me, and I just sung a song for Govinda's daughter. I mean, as in she's featuring in that song, and I'm really looking forward to that song as well. That's a Punjabi song again.
Congratulations for that. तो
Thank you so
हम
much.
जोगा की कुछ लाइन सुनना चाहेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले उसमें एक्ट कर रहा है, मतलब किसी और जो कोई और गाता है और हम जब उसकी एक्टिंग करते हैं, जैसे यू नो दोस, इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग अ फ्लेयर मूव, यू नो यू जस्ट आप एकदम से मुड़ते हैं, यू हैव टू शॉट लाइक थ्राइस 4 टाइम्स 10 टाइम्स. आपने तो आपने खुद गाया और आपने उसमें अपीयरेंस भी दी. So how, I mean, I'm sure it must be such a proud feeling that, you know, you have such big actors, you have such good production team, you have the entire people who are working on a song sung by you. Moreover, you are such a beautiful charm कि आप उसमें आ भी रहे हैं, and people are really appreciating. And like I talked about it, that organic views, you rightly said this, because this industry, I mean, I should not, since this show is more about positivity, let's not get into that. But yes, how was the feeling? I mean, how did you feel that, you know, you are the one who's singing and you are also acting in it?
So, Richa, you know, from the beginning of my career, from my first song, Ho Gayi Hai Mohabbat, I've always positioned myself as a complete performer, complete musician. I don't believe in a singer being in the background या पर्दे के पीछे, you know, literally जो पर्दे के पीछे होता है. So I always believe that a singer should be in the forefront. लोगों को पहचानना चाहिए कि भाई ये सिंगर कौन है, इसका चेहरा क्या है, इसकी पर्सनालिटी कैसी है. तो my career is now, I think, over 20 years. My first album came out in 1998, which is Ho Gayi Hai Mohabbat. और मेरी पहली album में I was the heroine opposite Nakul Kapoor. I'm sure you must have seen the video, the video which was shot in the backwaters of Kerala. And that became hugely famous. And in fact, it was shot by the wonderful filmmaker Santosh Sivan, who had just finished shooting Dil Se with Shah Rukh Ji and Preeti Zinta. And he had shot our video. So it was a wonderful opportunity from the beginning of my career that I got to work with such stalwarts, such amazing people, legendary people. तो मेरे जितने भी गाने आज तक आए हैं उनमें मैंने हमेशा फीचर किया है, because I'm a performer. I love performing live, and I love performing in front of the camera, and it's like second nature to me. So I don't think it's, in fact, only in this video I did take a little backseat in my appearance. I wanted the story to be more given more focus, and the story was between the Jogia, which is Dheeraj Dupar, and the girl Smriti Kalra, who plays like the Simran of DDLJ. It was a very DDLJ kind of a look that we've given. And I was honestly wanting to shy away from being a part of the video. But everyone said, no, Shivani, it's, you know, you'll be the lucky charm of your own song. Aapko aana chahiye is gaane mein. So then there I was wearing all those colorful clothes, dressing up and makeup and all that. And so I start the video with a dialogue. And then uske baad I'm shown dancing like crazy. So बहुत मजा. I actually had a lot of fun, and I'm glad I said yes to featuring in it also. But those 2 days of the shoot in Punjab was such a picnic. It was so amazing. And also one realized that how beautiful the interiors of Punjab are. And हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं चलो बाहर international locations पे चलो, इधर चलो उधर चलो. Why not in our own country? Our own country has some exotic locations. In fact, just as the lockdown is going to open, I'm going to Manali, and I'm going to explore Manali, because I've hardly been there. I've just been there once in my life, and it's such a beautiful place. It's such a beautiful place. So we should explore and exploit our own country's locations.
I think India को explore करना चाहिए, because we talk about beautiful locations, तो हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं चलो shoot करेंगे, but you know, out of India. But I feel I've also said yes to a song which will be shot in Jammu and JNK, and I love to go there. What beauty! I mean, it's serene. तो शिबानी, मैं चाहूंगी कि हम कुछ लाइंस जोगा की अगर सुन पाए तो.
Absolutely, with the promise that Richa, very soon you'll be making a reel on Jogia, which I'll be posting on my page.
Sure, I'll do that.
And I will be tagging everyone, all the producers and directors of the director of this, and I would want you to then start doing Punjabi music videos. Okay, here we go. Kadke raja veedlo, chadke raja veede. Kadke raja veedlo, chadke raja veede. Tenu dil de vich basa liya. जोगिया है जोगिया भी मुंदरा मालिया दिल तेरे नाल नालिया जोगिया हाय जोगिया हाय जोगिया भी मुंदरा मालिया दिल तेरे नाल नालिया जोगिया हाय जोगिया है.
मैं वैसे तो पंजाबी हूँ, बट मुझे इतनी पंजाबी समझ नहीं आती, लेकिन आपके वर्ड्स म्यूजिक, इस पर्टिकुलर म्यूजिक में, इट्स समथिंग व्हिच एवरीबॉडी कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज शायद वो फीलिंग, वो हैप्पी फीलिंग, इट्स दैट लव फीलिंग व्हिच इज देयर, एंड तभी शायद शिबानी, द ऑर्गेनिक व्यूज यू टॉक्ड अबाउट, इट क्लिक्ड. जो भी चीज किसी की इमोशन से होंगी, जो भी किसी चीज के दिल से बनाई जाती है, तो वो जरूर क्लिक करता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट योर सॉन्ग इज ऑल अबाउट, आई फील.
Thank you so much. I have to really thank the people behind this song. There's a huge team behind it. It's not just me. I'm the voice and the co-composer of the song, but it has been written beautifully by Manpal Singh from Sangrur, which is the interiors of Punjab, and Kaku Kalandar. He also hails from Punjab, and these people were introduced to me by my hubby Rajiv Roda, who actually felt that I should make more songs in this zone, this soulful, romantic kind of a zone. And I said, yeah, I think he's right, because this really, really suits my voice and it works for me.
Absolutely. Okay. Coming back to Kailash Silver Leaves, we see the logo, right? We talk about the brand. एंड जैसे आपने बोला कि यू नॉट अमंग्स दोज हु जो बिल्कुल बैकग्राउंड में छुपे होंगे, सिर्फ म्यूजिक वॉइस ओवर्स करेंगे, एंड दे आर नॉट द वंस हु विल कम फॉरवर्ड. आई फील दैट Kailash Silver Leaves, Mr. Sanjay Mittal is also following the same philosophy, because we talk about work. मैंने ये सबको बताया कि मुझे पर्टिकुलरली काजू की बर्फी बहुत पसंद है, एंड वो इसलिए स्टैंड आउट करती है क्योंकि वो रॉयल्टी, वो उसके ऊपर जो सिल्वर फॉइलिंग होती है वो कितनी अमेजिंग लगती है. इट स्टैंड्स आउट. Similarly, I feel Kailash Silver Leaves stands out because of its USP. Before Shibani, I ask you further about your association with Kailash Silver Leaves, I would request the production team to please play a beautiful video by them. अच्छा, मैं तो रैम्प वॉक, I walked for him. I was being very happy that I walked for him as a showstopper. अच्छा, मैं तो I am doing it for so many years, so मुझे तो कोई उसकी stress या tension नहीं होती. But he walked with me for the first time. I mean, he walked for the first time in the fashion industry, and लोगों को ये लगा ही नहीं. HT covered it, TOI covered it. We had so many newspapers, headlines. talking about there's a trend setter in the fashion industry. Now people are using it, the flakes, as on skin, as skin wraps, or people are, I was fully dressed in a way that the flakes was there, and I don't know whether production team has a picture of the same or not. But what do you have to say about Kailash Silverleaves, about your association with them?
So Richa, I had heard of him through my best friend Rosie Aluwalia, and in fact, I also since you're my friend and I always follow what you're doing, and I saw you dressed up in a stunning outfit and that stunning work jewelry and everything. And I was like, oh my God, what? Richa's looking very different this time. So then I figured out that this is thanks to Kailash Silverleaves, and Sanjay Mittal is a man behind this amazing creation, And then I asked Rosie, and Rosie told me a lot about him, and she said that he's very innovative. So then I had the opportunity of meeting him. I would say lockdown शुरू होने से पहले से एक हफ्ता पहले we all had dinner together, and I really instantly hit it off with him. Instantly, मतलब we were chatting और पता ही नहीं चला कि वक्त कहाँ गया, समय कहाँ गया. And then he showed me the pictures. I saw your pictures also. And I was like, wow, what is this? What kind of jewelry is this? So that is when I got to know that work is not just used in mithai, because in fact, I love eating work. It's with the mithai, when it's blended, it tastes so yummy, right? And my favorite mithai also is Kaju ki barfi. So, and sometimes I like to have Kaju ki barfi mainly because of that work. So I was like, oh my gosh, you're the man behind this yummy chum chum that I love to eat with the mithai. So, and then he showed me those pictures, and I mean the way the jewelry has been innovatively made of work, and the way this has been incorporated in the fashion world, and the way you looked as a showstopper wearing his stunning collection, I was absolutely blown. I was mind blown. It was like that. So that's when that's how we got associated, and since then we've been talking. And then he told me he loves my song Sajna Abija. Then I shared Jogia with him, and he said it's beautiful. And then when he told me about the Human Connect, he said, I'd love you to be a part of it. And that's how one thing led to another, and here we are on the Human Connect, brought to you by Kailash Silverleaves and Sanjay Mittal, and of course my dear friend Richa hosting it. So it couldn't be better. And of course, one of my favorite radio channels, Radio Cities, powering it and promoting it. So this is great. In fact, it all came across very well together. And so that's how it is. That's how my association is. But through this show, Richa, he's been so involved in the making of the show. In the making of the creatives, and making sure that it's everywhere. That the promotions are all over the place. So I think I really salute him for his passion, his innovation, and his sincerity and his commitment.
बिल्कुल सही बात बोली है शिवानी, because I remember back then when I was working for him as a showstopper. So he said, कैसे करेंगे? I said, आप छोड़ दो, आप designer पे छोड़ दो, because that's what we do, right? I mean, designer handles their responsibility, makeup artist, plans it accordingly. He said, नहीं, but मुझे पता तो होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि मेरा work. And I was like, he seems to be quite passionate about his work. And generally हमें सिखाया जाता है, जो अपने वर्क के लिए पैशन होते हैं, जो अपने काम के लिए पैशन होते हैं, वो बहुत ऊंचाई छूते हैं. शायद इसलिए ही इज द नंबर 1. ही आल्सो नोन एज वर्किंग. मैंने उनको टाइटल दिया था when I was giving one interview back then, that how it was displayed, that was something which I dreamt of. And I said, आपको भरोसा है ना मुझ पे? He said yes. I said, just then leave it on me. And when it actually came out, it took, अच्छा, जब हम शादी के लिए तैयार होते हैं 3-3.5 घंटे लगते हैं, because this is so delicate, Shivani. It took 3.5 hours for me to get ready on that India Designer show which was happening. And when I came, I walked on the ramp. It was some other feeling. We have been walking for so many designers in so many cities, but this was different because something which was there was so delicate to put. एक चीज, क्योंकि वो इतनी delicate और इतनी वो होती है कि वो टूट जाती है. But it came out to be so beautiful. It was really appreciated by a lot of people, lot of celebrities. Few of my friends from Bollywood said, ये क्या है? ये कैसे किया है? Somebody said, अच्छा ये कहाँ से मिलता है? Where did you get this jewelry from? I said, it's not jewelry, it's work. It's actually silver and it's gold flakes. And that's how. But I could feel from that thing that the work king जो title है वो ऐसे ही नहीं है, because he is the one who gets involved in terms of scripting, conceptualizing and the human connect भी. जब हम बात कर रहे थे संजय जी and I was talking, तब लगा कि क्यों ना कुछ positive किया जाए. We conceptualized this together and it came out to be so beautiful, because Shibani, it's not only the name, we're also helping people in terms of getting them the useful products, useful things, जो सारी ज़रूरतों amenities की बात होती है, वो सब चीज़ें हम उन तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं human connect की वजह से.
That's wonderful. And I think you've given him rightly so. He's the working, no doubt. And really, it's a wonderful feeling to be associated with such amazing people.
Absolutely. So शिबानी, मैंने आपके awards देख रही थी. जब आपको मैंने Google किया और मेरी टीम jot down the awards, I have few names with me. मैं चाहूंगी आप हमें उसके बारे में बताएं. So you have got International Playback Singer and Performer by Global Film and Music Festival. Also, you Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for your contribution during this pandemic. I feel that जहाँ पे हम singer की बात करते हैं, and of course your pandemic, it's like coins की two sides होते हैं. You have mastered it all. Please tell us about your journey from being a global diva to somebody who has been coming up for the society and helping them.
Thank you, Richa. That is so sweet. Yes, it is a very humbling feeling that I was, felicitated by this award by the Global Film and Music Festival, which is held in New York. In fact, this year only. And of course, it was held virtually. Everything is happening virtually. So virtually ये awards हुए, and इसमें बहुत मेहनत लगी थी. मेरे performances भी virtual एक studio से हुए, and they had they had to shoot my receiving of the award, so they had to courier the award to me from all the way from USA. They shipped all the awards to the Indian artists here. And what basically I felt very great about was that this is a recognition. It's a global recognition, and it's not just for the work that I've done only in my country, but it's about the work, my concerts that I've done all over the world, and my collaborations that I've done with international artists and international films. I have, in fact, I've sung for a Hollywood film, and that too in French and Tamil. So I have sung for a few festival films, and I've also, done a collaboration with Big Mountain, which is an LA-based reggae band. And I performed at the India Independence Day Parade, which happened in 2018 in August in New York. So it was me, Kamal Hassan ji, Kailash Kher ji, and Shruti Hassan. So we were the guests of honor, and we were like treated like state guests during that week of the Independence Day celebration. And we performed to a crowd of almost 1 lakh Indians at the Madison Square Garden. And this is something where it's a matter of pride, because you're representing your country in another country, and so the feeling of nationality and patriotism, it surges even more. So I think because of these things, normally never, I don't really run and hanker after awards. But when I got a call from this GFMF, which is Global Film and Music Festival, and they told me this, I was absolutely thrilled and overwhelmed. And I can't thank God enough for, I really appreciate that in these times, in the pandemic times, there is so much of love and appreciation and acceptance which is happening within the industry. And coming to the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Excellence, these awards are given to people who, in their own capacity, can do something for the COVID patients, for the frontline workers, for all the, I would say, the Corona warriors. So I think since last March till now, I've been feeling very helpless that there are the doctors and the medical workers and the essential workers. They're out there on the field. They're out there risking their lives for us. And what are we doing? We're just sitting at home, safe. So I decided that in my capacity as a singer, if I can do some virtual shows for them, for the police, I perform for the police, Delhi police. I perform for the doctors, in AIMS. There are these groups of doctors in USA called the API. So every week, I did shows for them so that they could feel motivated and encouraged and happy. And it is just a give back to them for what they are doing. It's nothing compared to what they are doing for us, actually. So that was one thing. And secondly, I have tried to now associate myself and support a lot of charities. I have just started supporting something called the Find a Bed, which is with the United Nations. They're doing really well. They've got a lot of faces to basically, tell people if they want to find a bed and a hospital somewhere. This is the helpline number. It's a hotline helpline number which they can get immediately. They'll be admitted into the hospital. And then there is a charity called the Phoenix Oxygen Seva. They've done great work. So I kind of supported them also, wherein they were doing free refilling of oxygen in oxygen cylinders all over the hospitals in Delhi and Delhi NCR. And I found that a great, very noble gesture, because oxygen ki kitni kami ho rahi thi. There was a scarcity of oxygen supply in the hospitals, and that is today the life savior for any corona patient, as we all know. So charities like that, and there is Arjun Marwa's charity, and they are doing something amazing in Jampura. They've held this camp for the past 3 weeks now, and what they're doing is they're giving free langar seva, they're giving free ambulance seva, and they're also doing, you can just bring your oxygen concentrator there. If it's empty, they will refill it for you for free. So I think ye तीनों चीजें वो कर रहे हैं, and I think that's amazing. And they're also helping. They've turned the Gurdwara there into a COVID care center. So wahan pe they're giving free food to the corona patients. They're giving free oxygen to the corona patients. So I think in these times, when all of us get together and do something for each other, इससे बेहतर तो और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. This is the positivity I'm talking about. This is the things that we need to talk about, and we need to appreciate and applaud such people. Because there is so much, we can keep on and on about blaming people. We can keep on and on hankering about negativity. But जो अच्छाइयाँ हो रही हैं, this is the Human Connect. A show like Human Connect is also trying to give amenities to those corona patients and to the people who've lost their jobs, right? So these are the things that we should talk about more, so that there's a ray of hope.
बिल्कुल सही बोला शिबानी, क्योंकि till last year it was economy going down, our business getting impacted, and this time it's because we know that almost every house is down with corona or is corona positive, and everybody has now realized that humanity comes first. हर चीज बाद में आती है. हर कोई अपनी तरफ से कोशिश कर रहा है कि वो आगे बढ़ के मदद करे जितना हो सके, जैसे हो सके. हर कोई डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता, हर कोई आगे जाके फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन कोशिश कर सकता है, जैसे हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं ह्यूमन कनेक्ट से, just to spread positivity, to let you know that things happen. We understand and we are totally with you, but it has to go. बुरा वक्त नहीं, अच्छा वक्त नहीं रुकता तो बुरा वक्त भी नहीं रुकेगा, क्योंकि हर चीज का अपना एक टाइम होता है. एंड इसीलिए शायद Shibani, I also see that you do live shows on Instagram and Facebook, just because I know that we are there for each other, and it doesn't take us in terms of hurting our ego or anybody's ego in this world, because we are coming forward and we are standing for humanity. Humanity comes first, right Shivani?
Absolutely, very well said, very well spoken.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो शिबानी, अब हम चाहेंगे लाइटर नोट पे कोई ऐसा गाना. आई एम श्योर, मतलब मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, सबको पता है, सबके दिमाग में गाना है, पर हम चाहेंगे कि जो टॉप चार्ट सॉन्ग है आपका, वी वांट.
So I'm going to sing the song with which I began my Bollywood career with as a singer and composer, Sajna Abhija. नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा, हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा. सजना आ भी जा, सजना आ ही जा, सजना आ मेहंदी कंगना, चूड़ी झूमर गहना, प्यासे प्यासे नैना सुने पड़े तेरे बिना, बिंदिया मेहंदी कंगना, चूड़ी झूमर गहना, प्यासे प्यासे नैना सुने पड़े तेरे बिना, नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा, हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा, बिना आ भी जा सजना, आ भी जा।
अच्छा पता है शिवानी, मेरे अंदर का बच्चा ना कूद कूद के बोल रहा है कि अरे मैं तो उससे बात करूं जिन्होंने ये गाना गाया था, क्योंकि मुझे याद है वी नो हियर दिस सॉन्ग व्हाइल गोइंग, वो होता है ना टीनेजर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग कि ऐसे गाने सुनने हैं, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक वाओ व्हाट अ वॉइस, एंड आई यू नो अभी आई वाज जस्ट यू नो गोइंग, आई वाज जस्ट यू नो आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल, एंड मुझे मैम ने खड़ा कर दिया था आगे कि तुम गाना गाओ। अब मेरी वॉइस है नहीं, तो मैंने क्या करा, so this is my brother exactly, it made us remind of our school days because मैंने क्या करा, मैं एक गर्ल के साथ, एक बंगाली गर्ल थी, बंगालियों की तो आवाज इतनी अमेजिंग होती है, मैं उनके साथ खड़ी हो गई and I was just murmuring and she was singing. Ma'am said wow, plus in that I mean
You were lip syncing. You were lip syncing.
I was lip singing. So I got A plus and I was like, wow, ये तो बहुत सही है, and it reminded me of those days when I used to hear this song and I was like, wow, क्या आवाज है, पता नहीं था कि आपके साथ होंगे और आप ही किससे सुन रही होंगी ये. Really thankful for that.
Oh, you're most welcome.
Funny, we talk about Bollywood actors. I have, अगर मैं बोलूँ तो मेरे the best meet I have was with Kartik Aaryan, and because he was being very sweet, like he's very cute looking also. But when I talk about Shivani Kashyap, so you have worked with a lot of Bollywood celebrities and Kajol recently. How was it? How was the feeling?
So it was, it is a lovely movie called Helicopter Hila. In fact, everyone must watch it. अगर आपने नहीं देखी अभी तक, it's on the OTT platform. I think Netflix पे है या कहीं ना कहीं तो है. You'll get to watch it. But it's a story of a woman who wants to, who's she's become a mother and her child is going to school and her kid is now set and he knows what he wants to do. But her duties are over and she's a single parent and she's now trying to find and rediscover herself as a singer, because she used to be a singer when she was before she got married. So she says, okay, why not? I'm going to go and do it again. And that's what is so beautiful about this film. So in this film, how she goes to recording studio, how she starts finding her career back, and then she goes to this party, this MTV party where so it's a scene where she meets her favorite pop icons. So actually what scene is back to the time, the era when we started singing and we started, we were the pop stars in India. So the scene was where I am there, Shan is there, Baba Sehgal is there, Ila Arun is there, and some other people are there. So basically she meets me and I'm introduced to her in the scene, and she meets me as Shivani Kashyap. So suddenly here I was, I was dressed up like a full diva, like in this beautiful gown and gorgeous makeup and everything, and I walk in with my bodyguards and stuff. That's the scene, and then somebody tells me, Shivani, that's Ila. So I look at her and I tell her, I look at Ila, who's Kajol, that, oh, you got a wonderful voice and you got a great future. So she looks at me and she said, oh my God, you're Shivani Kashyap and you're telling me this. So that basically utna sa hi scene tha. And then of course I'm taken away by the press reporters and stuff. It was just a little cameo appearance. And but of course, Pradeep Sarkarji, who shot this film, he has his attention to every little detail, how the place will look and how everybody should look and blah blah blah. So we spent a whole day shooting. In fact, it was like a one big party. But shooting with her was like she's like a girl next door. She's so real. She's a real person. And what I loved about seeing her in that, she's wearing this leather jacket and you know, वो जो 90s वाला जो style होता है ना, leather jacket and high waisted skirts, उस type की. And she's looking the part. She's looking about 21 in that. I'm like, oh my gosh, she is so versatile. There's a lot to be learned from these veteran Bollywood actors who can play any role with such aplomb. So it was great to see her carry off that role, because basically that setting was a flashback where when she has just started her career as a singer, and she's about 19, 20, 21, and she looks it. She really looked it. Her look, her makeup, her hair, her dressing, everything was pat on, and her demeanor. Like she, oh, thank you, Shivani, oh, Shivani. Like the way she spoke. So that whole scene was very inspiring for me, because I was playing myself only. मेरे को तो कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी थी. I was like, oh hi, like that. So I was playing myself, but I saw her playing that role. It was very cool, very inspiring, and good fun.
अच्छा शिवानी, मेरी पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट है, मुझे वो गाना है ना, हो गई है मोहब्बत, I want you to sing that, at least maybe few lines, if not the entire song.
Definitely, I'll sing that song, because that song is super special to me. I started my career with that song, and just yesterday, a journalist was interviewing me, and she said, "Shivani, वो जो आपके साथ जो हीरो थे इस वीडियो में, नकुल कपूर, वो कहाँ गए हैं?" So, and I think she gave me a fantastic idea. She said, "Why don't you just reconnect with him, because it's been so many years now, and he left for Canada and he became a yoga expert." So just yesterday, unke कहने पे ना, I reconnected with him on Facebook, and I hopefully can bring him on a chat show with me on Instagram or something, so that people still remember him and are so fond of him. So anyway, just sharing a little anecdote with you. So here's Ho Gayi Mohabbat. हो गई है मोहब्बत तुमसे, आए पलकों में ख्वाब बन के, रह गए सर आंखों पर, बड़े है एहसान तुमने, दिल में किया जो बसर, हो मिल गई है अमानत तुमसे, हो गई है मोहब्बत तुमसे.
Wow.
Thank you.
शिवानी, आप सूफी सॉन्ग्स, हम जहाँ पे सूफी सॉन्ग्स की बात करते हैं, सूफी इज ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट जॉनर. एंड सच बताऊं, मुझे कल से पहले ये भी नहीं पता था कि आप डिवोशनल भी, एंड योर द वे वी स्टार्टेड दिस शो started with bhajan, it was divine. So when we talk about
you're right. Even I'm not really a bhajan singer, or I really have to work very hard until I can call myself a bhajan singer, or I can actually sing a whole show with bhajans. But I started off by recording this Shiv bhajan, Shiv mantra, which, because I'm a Shiv bhakt myself, and my name Shibani actually means in Sanskrit, or it means Shiv ki Vani. That's what really the name is. And so it's all kind of, I would say, serendipity, you can call it, or it's all a big coincidence that my name is that, and I am actually a huge follower of Lord Shiva. So I decided to start my journey of singing bhajans with this mantra, which you played in the beginning of the show.
Absolutely, and I agree, because हम pop sensation Bollywood singer की बात करते हैं, and of course, I mean, everybody has their own genre, but sometimes, so जैसे मैंने सूफी के बारे में बोला, सूफी song, it's again different from the other genres. You do sing songs, right?
Yes, Sufi is one of my most favorite genres. In fact, I always incorporate a bit of that in my songs, like even in the song Zinda, even in Sajna Abhija. Then there's a very beautiful Qawwali Sufi song which I've done called Nagmagi. Then recently I did a very nice collaboration with my friend singer Suryaveer. So we recreated Akhiyan Udeek Diyan and Ve Main Chori Chori, and we put it together. It's come out really well. So I just love that genre. And recently, when the lockdown had kind of opened up, one of my first concerts which happened was in Amritsar at the Fiki Flow, and I did something which was like a very nice jugalbandi with the Nizami Bandhu Kawals and my jazz set. So we did a very nice fusion because I just love Qawwali. I love Sufi. I think it's something which is the music of the soul, music of divinity, you know, and it just really uplifts you.
True. So, Shivani, before we end the show, I would like to know. So, we talked about the working Sanjay Mittal, and you talked about your association with him. But what do you think? I mean, for him, he has already entered the fashion industry. He might be, just a step away from maybe not singing himself, but at least being part of some video song where the models are walking or the actor is walking with the work or maybe silver or gold flakes. So, what do you think is next or in line when we talk about that? And of course, you talked in a bit in terms of Kila Silver Leaves. You talked in a bit in terms of your association with Mr. Sanjay Mittal, and because it was due to you, because of Rosie Aluwalia, another beautiful lady. So we would like to know more in terms of your association and what do you think? I mean, कल को कुछ मिलीत भगत in terms of maybe a song where the actor is using those flakes or maybe he himself is coming in between and doing that.
No, in fact, the first thought that came to my mind when I saw the beautiful work cut jewelry and the dressing up, I was like, I have to wear this in my next music video so that we can set a trend in music videos, because I don't think anybody in music videos has ever worn that kind of stuff before. So I think that's what even I suggested to him, and he was like, yeah, that's a great idea, and yes, it'll be great if Sanjay Mittalji also makes an appearance in that video, and so that people, it's revealed that who's the man behind this creation. So yes, I'm working on a song which will have a lot of nazakat and beauty in it, and that's where we'll have the work all over me and all over the actors or whoever. I still don't know who the actors will be, but definitely I'll be sporting that. I will be definitely be wearing that. And I believe, Sanjay loves Sufi music also. So that's something which we have in common. And I'd like to dedicate a few lines of a Sufi song to him. So
Definitely.
why not? Yeah. So this is a song called Jugni Ji. Alif Jambe di booty Tinal mere murshid man vich lai hu Nabi azbaad da pani de ke har rage har jahi hu जुग जुग जीवे मोरा मुर्शिद सोना अते जिस ए बूटी लाई फिर मेरे आदि जुगनी जी है वे आला वाले आदि जुगनी जी है वे मौला अली वाली जुगनी जी है वे मेरे पीर दी जुगनी जी है वे सारे सब दी जुगनी जी
क्या बात है ऐसा कोई जॉन पानी ने छोड़ा है शायद किलास Sanjay Mittal also follow the same philosophy like I think we three are because knowing that हम एक चीज करते हैं हमें अगर दूसरी चीज हमारे उसकी आती है तो हम ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसको छोड़ देते हैं हम अपनी क्रिएटिविटी इनोवेशन से उसको फुलफिल करते हैं कोशिश करते हैं हम उस पर बिल्कुल वो करें work when we talk about work when we talk about silver and gold flakes they are not only in sweets like we talked about they are also as a fashion trend people are wearing it as a skin wrap people are also using them in wines so that's another interesting product which they talk about. Yes so if you sparkle some silver or gold flakes on wine it gives a different aura it gives a different it has its own benefit And
I
also,
have to do this because I love wine, and I think if it's going to enhance the wine, why not? I'd love to try this out.
it does. And also something which is coming soon, which we talked about, because जब कुछ बात होती है when we talk about that, and he says that कुछ नया करना है, I try to blend in terms of, okay, you know, this is something which we should try, because I feel that everybody is master of their own industry. I have been working in the fashion industry from so many years, and from school time only I got through, you know, the modeling assignments, different endorsements and so on. So I said, okay, you know, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, because he's passionate too about work, I am passionate about my work. And similarly Shibani, who has been coping with so many genres, and हर चीज को इतनी खूबसूरती से निभाना, शायद वो एक डिटर्मिनेशन हार्ड वर्क की कहानी होती है, और शायद वही हमने शिबानी से आज सीखा. शिबानी, any closing lines before we end this beautiful show? दो मन तो नहीं कर रहा है, but time that we would like to hear something, maybe few lines, and of course the Heal the World song. No better end
Yes,
than
so
that.
I'd like to close this show with this beautiful song by the legendary Michael Jackson. And the lines and the lyrics are so beautiful, and I always believe that, you know, when you sing something and make a plea to the universe, you know, make a request to the universe, it always works. And I hope the universe listens, and we are all healed really soon, and we can all travel all over the world, and we can all party and celebrate and have a normal life very soon again. So, but until then, I just want to tell everyone, please stay safe, keep the precautions, keep wearing your mask if you have to step out, and please get yourselves vaccinated. Richa, have you got yourself vaccinated?
Done few days back, and I've also posted as to how under 45 can go and do it, because it's not
Yeah,
difficult.
yeah. Of course, it's open to 18 plus now. So I've got my vaccine also. My entire family has got vaccinated. So okay, these are the things which the to do things which I've just told all of you to do. But now I'm going to uh, sing this song, which is much needed in today's day. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. There's a place that is brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, there's no need to cry. In this place, there will be joy, no sorrow. There are ways to get there, but if you care enough for living, make a better place, make a better space. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, and if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. एक ऐसा जहां बनाए हम, दूर रह कर भी साथ मिलाए कदम. There are people dying, and if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
On that note, thank you so much, Shivani, for joining us today. It's an honor to have this musical session. This initiative is by Kailash Silverleaf Mittal, and this was the episode 2 of the Human Connect. Till we meet again, another celebrity, another person who has made a very, who had an impactful journey and has made it possible. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us from Radio City, from our official page, and of course, our dear guest Shibani, who has beautifully sung and lightened the mood this Saturday. Thank you so much. Till we meet
Thank you
again.
so much, everyone. Thank you, Kailash Silverleaf, Sanjay Mittal, Richa Mehta, Radio City, and all of you who've joined in. Lots of love. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep the ray of hope up. Bye bye. Take care.